Today we are doing some winter Dutch doors. So about right here is when I stop the video and then forget to start it back. So what I did was I just tore that washi tape that I showed you and put it down on the side. I'm using some Tom Holtz Distress ink that I got on Amazon. And I just want to go around the edges of the page with this. I really like to blend this in. I think it gives it a softer look. Since I'm putting this down, I want to use clear stickers, but you won't be able to really see it with that blue behind it. So what I'm doing is I'm putting on some regular sticker paper, I bought from, Amazon, I think. And then I'm using my gyro cut to cut it out around that clear sticker. I made sure to press that sticker down really hard to get all those air bubbles out because it'll just make it look better on that sticker paper and after it's finished. Now I want to use this washi tape that I got from Plannything from a Plannything subscription to make another door. Here I'm just looking at the page behind it to make sure I get this washi tape lined up exactly where I want it. Now I got this little cutting mat at the Dollar Tree. It was in a very conspicuous location. I almost didn't find it, but it was with the crafting section where all the wood was, I think. Anyway, right now I'm just using my craft knife and my cutting mat to cut through that paper to make that door. This is the process I will be using for most of this video. So here I missed another opportunity to turn the camera back on after I rested. So I missed an entire step that I will kind of show you what I did or walk you through it towards the end of the video. This blue on the back of this page is where I started it before I decided to video, and I realized I had started it on the wrong page. So I took it off, set up my camera, and restarted. Here you might see where I messed up, and I put that sticker down after I'd cut the backing, that bullet journal paper off. I should have put the sticker down first and then cut around it. But it's on sticker paper, so it's already kind of enforced. So I'm just going to put the other sticker on the back, and you'll see that in a few minutes, and I think it'll be fine. I have a Tombow Mono Air adhesive I'm using to put some tape on the ends of that washi because glitter washi doesn't like to stay down. Now I'm just cutting off the clear edge of the sticker that was overlapping the other one. Now I'm just going through, getting the edges really well, getting all the air bubbles out so that it will stay down. Now this time with the washi tape, since I didn't put the sticker on top of it, I'm having to cut around the sticker. I forgot to mention, but you probably already know why, but the sticker is clear, so I can't put the sticker on top of the washi tape or the washi tape will show through. Here I cut off too much of that bullet journal paper, so I'm putting 2 layers of washi tape down, hoping to maybe reinforce that edge a little better. Sometimes I feel ripping washi tape is easier this way, but it just depends on what paper you have the washi tape on. Because if you aren't careful, you could rip the paper underneath it. I decided to try and put tape down first before I put that glitter washi down. We'll see how it goes. I learned that if you turn the corner rounder upside down, you can see what you're doing a lot better. Okay guys, I think I'm finished. I'm just gonna go through with you and kind of explain what I did again. So I just counted out a few pages. I knew I wanted to do 3 little things here. 1, 2, and yeah, this would be the 3rd. So, and I wanted doors in between each one. So I went to the back page, started there, put down my washi, and then I bring this over and I cut the door. And then I bring this over, put this down. I actually put this on top of the washi because of that sticker paper. So I just put it on top of the washi, cut around it with my gyro cut, and then that makes a door. It makes a little tab. And then I just made another just flat or straight door. Nothing complicated, just, you know, cut it off. And then on this one, same thing. This is where I kind of messed up. I put the washi down and then I cut it off straight when I was supposed to put this down and cut around it. But it all worked out because it's on sticker paper, so it's still stuck on here, kind of reinforced, and the longer it's on there, the better it will stick. And it worked out, so it's okay. And then the first page, I just did the same thing as the last, so they kind of look coherent. So this is the first page. I'm just gonna kind of flip it through a little. And I hope you guys don't mind the voiceover. I think when I do my creative journals, I have been wanting to video them and show you the process for a long time, but the video ended up being very, very long, which was very hard to edit. So I decided just to try this to see how it goes, speed it up, so you guys can still see the process that I'm doing, but I will voice over and do an explanation. Let me know what you think of this. Let me know what you think of the voiceover. And I hope you guys have a good day or good night, you know, depending on where you live. And I will definitely talk to you later.